Alright. For this power supply, if we buy a new one and install it, we need to test and adjust the voltage. You see, for our 3030 and 3040 machines, their voltage is all set to 50 volts. So how do we adjust it? There is an adjustment port here. After we install it, there is a port at the back, right here at the back. After removing this cover, you can use a small screwdriver to adjust it inside. Adjust it to 50 volts. How do we measure this 50 volts? We can remove this part and then measure the two wires inside. Once you get a reading of 50 volts, that's it. No further adjustment is needed. And then, for our power supply unit, like this, tapping something, we have to consider a few things.